Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 11. Now, all you need to do is press the start menu here on the taskbar and come up to the pin section where you should find your settings. If you don't see your settings here in the pin section, come to the top here and search for settings. Ours are here, so we'll select them there. Then, once the settings have been found, you want to come to System here on the left hand side. Then scroll down within System and you'll see Activation. You want to select this. As you can see, my current Windows 11 is activated, as you can see here with this green tick at the end. If yours isn't, you can drop this second one down and you can select Change Product Key and then enter your product key to activate your Windows 11. So that's how to activate Windows 11. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.